Welcome to this video on how to start a successful online business in the furniture industry. If you are a furniture enthusiast looking to start a successful online business, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore how to start an online business in the furniture industry. Step 1. Define your target audience. The first thing you need to do is define your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their interests and preferences? Understanding your target audience is crucial in developing an effective marketing strategy. Step 2. Identify the product or service you want to offer. What type of furniture do you want to sell? Home furniture, decorations, accessories, or maybe a furniture consulting service? Choosing the right product or service is essential for the success of your business. Step 3. Create a professional website. Your website will be your online storefront. Make sure to create a professional and easy-to-navigate website. Include high-quality images of your products, pricing information, and contact details. Step 4. Promote your business. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to promote your business. Create a blog and publish useful and interesting content for your target audience. Use online advertising to reach a wider audience. Step 5. Offer an excellent shopping experience. Make sure to offer an excellent shopping experience to your customers. Be available to answer their questions and needs. Provide reliable and professional customer service. Here are some benefits of starting an online business in the furniture industry. Low startup costs. Starting an online furniture business generally requires a relatively low initial investment. Wide market. There are many people interested in furniture worldwide, which means there is a wide market for your products and services. Flexibility. Starting an online furniture business allows you to work from anywhere and set your own work hours. High earning potential. With the right product or service and effective marketing strategy, there is potential to earn a lot of money in the furniture industry. In summary, starting an online business in the furniture industry can be an exciting option for those looking to start a business. Understanding your target audience, choosing the right product or service, creating a professional website, promoting your business, and offering an excellent shopping experience are the key steps to starting a successful online business in the furniture industry. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of business. Thank you for watching the video.